Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Kajabi email campaigns for course sales. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Kajabi email campaigns for course sales, start by logging into your Kajabi account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Marketing tab located in the left-hand menu. From the drop-down, select Email Campaigns. Click the Create Campaign button to start a new email campaign. Choose a template that suits your course promotion needs. Next, give your campaign a name for easy reference. In the editor, start by crafting an engaging subject line. Focus on clarity and urgency to capture your audience's attention. Below the subject line, add your email content. Make sure to highlight the benefits of your course. Use engaging visuals and calls to action to encourage signups. Once your content is complete, preview the email to see how it appears. Check your formatting and ensure all links work correctly. After reviewing, click on the Next button to proceed to the settings. Select your target audience for this campaign. You can choose all contacts or segment them based on specific criteria. Set the sending schedule for your campaign. You can send it immediately or schedule for a later date. Finally, review all details one last time. When satisfied, hit the Send Campaign button to launch it. Your email campaign is now enabled, and you're ready to make course sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.